Alright, let's talk about what happened yesterday. I had a bullish bias yesterday. So I was looking for us to go up. Just because I'm just showing the 4 hour first. We're gonna clear these highs already. We had potentially could have been making a bearish SMT with these highs, but I still thought because of our structure, I didn't think we were gonna go down. This is from yesterday. Oh, sorry, no, I had a. Was I bullish yesterday? What did I take a trade for? Sorry, my brain. Yeah, I was bullish yesterday. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, I remember. Okay. Yeah, bullish yesterday. Hourly was kind of consolidation, and we were technically in. I did the review yesterday. We were technically in bearish structure on S&P. I mean on Nasdaq, and we were in bullish structure on S&P. So, what I was expecting us to do, or what I wanted us to do, was sweep London session at least, get this low resistance liquidity that we had all built up here with the data highs, London session, this hourly, and then I wanted to just keep going up, clear these highs up here on Nasdaq, and we swept all of this low resistance liquidity here, didn't sweep it here, making a bearish SMT, bullish SMT, inverse this fair value gap, waited for a pullback, we got the pullback here, and then I waited for a 1 minute change in direction after the pullback because, as you can see, broke structure down to get to that fair value gap, and then I wanted to wait for this, I wanted to wait for this inverse fair value gap right here. I could have waited for this break of structure, but it's basically the same thing. I wanted to wait for this inverse fair value gap at the top right here. We inversed it. I put in the trade going for this right here. And we didn't win. And that's okay. You know, that's everything that I wanted to see happened. So I can't get mad. You know, that's I follow my strategy. That's okay. Things happen like that sometimes. You know, it's not perfect. Nothing's ever perfect. Okay, number one, I want to check. What do we have for... Okay, 7:30. Cool. So we do have news. What was the news? Okay, so we have this data low right here. It wasn't that bad, to be honest. Actually, no, that's kind of big, but we'll watch it. So what's going on? Did we break structure to the downside? Yes, we did. We broke hourly structure to the downside. But it looks like we're going to break hourly structure to the upside. What about on here? Yeah, same thing. We broke structure to the downside, but it looks like we're going to break back to the upside. Currently, though, I would be bearish, but I want to see how market opens. We're going to be paying attention to this level right here. This one right here. Because that is structure. That is our structure. So I'm going to be paying attention to... Okay, I'm going to label this stuff. Check. At. Check. 4 hour at 9 a.m. Just because there's always a chance that, you know, we could flip, and I want to be a little cautious, but if I do get to be honest, I think this is enough confirmation to go for a buys trade because everything looks very nice. So if I do potentially get along before 9 a.m., I will take it because of structure. like, we are breaking structure to the upside, so I'm fine with taking it. And if I lose, well, I made a wrong call, and that's okay. I'm not mad at that. Although it's kind of shitty, to be honest, the past 2 days. Kind of shit. What is tomorrow? Is tomorrow's unemployment, and then Friday CPI. Okay. Okay. I don't think we'll go any higher than that, to be honest, but I do want to make sure that I'm marking the same levels here. Yep. Also, I want to mark this one out. Just because it's close. Everything is good. We actually have one more level right there as well. Okay. Yeah, there's really nothing to target to the downside here, because we kind of already cleared most of it. We have this for that, but yeah. The way this is looking, especially because we have equal highs here, it looks like I'm going to be, if we don't hit these right here, these equal highs here, and we get a 5-minute low sweep, if we come down here, I'd probably just be looking for 1-minute confirmation. That's if we don't touch these first. But if we do, then I'm probably going to be waiting for one of these data low, like probably the data low or London session low to be swept first. Unless we could potentially just straight bear our bull run straight through everything, but you know, because we do have a lot of liquidity here. One is here as well. And we have relatively equal. I mean, it's, yeah, relatively equal, although it's already been swept, so we'll have to see how it goes. But yeah, I think, to be honest, the way that everything is looking, I think we're going to go for a buy here. Oh yeah, I lost a little less than $500 or so. How much did I lose? $463.74. Alright, y'all. I love y'all. Peace out.